Welcome everyone to the Java 8 tutorial. So today we'll learn how to generate some random numbers with Java 8. So here I have Eclipse installed with this version. Then I will begin by creating a new Java project. So I click here, create Java project. I will give it a name. So random project. And here you must check that you are using the right execution environment. For example, here is not using the right one, so we'll click here, configure JRE, then I will delete this one, remove standard VM, next. Then I will go where my Java is installed and I will choose the JDK 1.8. So it's not your case, just download the zip file from Oracle website. So here I will choose the JDK 1.8, then finish, apply and close. So now I am using the right JDK 1.8. So next, finish. I have my Java project created just here with the right version, which is JDK 1.8. And here there are many libraries required for Java 1.8 program. So now I will create a new class. I will name it random main, and I will select the squares here, the checkbox, to generate a public static void main method that will execute my program. So every code between this statement, because in the body of this method, between those curly braces, will be executed. For example, I can display some text to check if there is no problem with my Eclipse or my JDK, because sometimes there is problem and you can't execute a simple program. So hello random numbers. So in my console just here I can see what my program displayed, hello random numbers. So now we'll begin by generating random numbers with Java 8. First of all, we have to use a random class. So random, it's from java.util package. So random generator. So to create an instance of this class, I will use the word new, then the name of the class, so now I have just created an instance of this random class. Then now I will generate a primitive stream of integer primitive stream. So first of all, I have created an instance of random class. Then I have generated a primitive stream containing many streams from this random class with this method that ints. I can do the same to generate some double random numbers. So here I have a primitive stream, double stream for double random numbers. So what I can do with that? So for example, I can display each element. So number, I will use lambda expression. Just use an arrow, then system.out.println my number. So what I'm doing now is that I'm printing every number in this primitive integer stream. Run. So as you see in my console, it's an infinite stream. It's generating many integer stream, infinite. So we'll stop this right now. I can also limit my generated random integer. For example, I just want 100. Run. So now he only generated 100 numbers. For example, 10. Run. Now I have just 10 integer numbers. And I can also give it a range. For example, I want 10 numbers from 0 to 1000. So now he will generate 10 integer value from 0 to 1000. Run. And here are my different value. 15. Now I have my value, my numbers between 0 and 15. And I can also do that with double value. So here for each double I will display the generated number, and I will generate 10 double from 0.8 to 0.85. Run. I just put a separator just here. Just a line. So here I have my integer value random generated, and here my double value generated. So I think we can do that with other primitive type. So for example, with longs, the return type is primitive string, long string. With boolean too, can generate some boolean random. So now this class is good for programmer, but for people in cryptography it's better to use another class. So if we go to this class just here, we'll find that random class have two child class. So we'll choose SecureRandom, and that's better for cryptography stuff. So we'll use SecureRandom just here, and it's the same usage than random class. We can use the same method on it. So SecureRandom, secure generator equal new to create an instance of secure random. So we'll do the same, generate some number from 0 to 15, 10 numbers from 0 to 15. So secure number int secure. Just put a separator. Then I will run my program. So here I have the integer, the generated random integer by the normal random class, and here by secure random class. And if you are curious, you can go to this class random and just read the Oracle documentation. So here instances of random are not cryptography secure. Consider instead using secure random to get cryptography secure from pseudo random number generator. And for every method, I don't know if there is details of every algorithm used to generate secure random numbers. So thank you for watching.